Teacher Nelson again, and welcome again to my instructional videos. Today we have to tackle all about science. Yes, are your lesson for today, and I know that it's very interesting, right? Because I know you love this lesson. So our lesson is all about animals. Animal. Rawr. Yes. By the way, what is your favorite animal? Yes, your favorite animal that you want to be as your pet. Okay, what do you want? Or do you love? Me is I love something bird, which is I love birds like that. I want that one as a pet, as my pet. Yes, how about yours? Ooh, yes, there you have it. So you have your own pet, and you have that kind of animals that you want, or animal. Yes, so animal have a unique part. Oh, usa nang unique kanang na ilang self ba walay makasundo ilang kaugaling nature nila. Yes. So first is just like ours, animals also have a body parts. They have all body parts. Na sila kamot, na sila hands, na sila feet, na sila ears, tanan. They have their own parts, but their unique parts is what we call, they have that in their own only. Wala sa uban, but only in their own. First is the trunk, or the best example of that one is the elephant. Kita na mag-elephant na taas kaayog ingana nguso, that is what we call trunk. So they use that one to get food. They use that one to get lifting some things, or something to drink water, or to dig a soil. So kasagaran da na ilan ang gamiton para mainumog ka ng anang naimukog as I have said, mukog water, or other also kanang na they use that one to get some food, or mo lift sa usa ka thing. Next is antenna. O kanang bitong have you seen a grasshopper kanang naingana, or a caterpillar? So caterpillar, I mean, yes, they have it, caterpillar. So they have their antenna kanay lang murag sungay-sungay. Not all animals have that kind. So that is unique part. Next is the tentacles. O kanang naay magana sa octopus. Yes, have you seen an octopus? O kanang maganahan, tentacles. Only some of the animals have those kind of kanang a unique part. And also next is the shell. Just like turtle. Turtle. Yes, there you have it. Turtle has shell. Also with snail. So shell kana ilang na sulanan sa ilang body nga maka-cover nila. They use that one as to protect from danger. So kung nagani sila yung mga kontra or mga predators, mutago na sila sa ilang shell, kaya ilang shell gahi. Next is the gills and the fins. Gills they use as breath, especially the fish, no? Fish try na gills kasagaran dun nasa ilawom dagat. They use that one as for their breath in that below the water, under the water, you know. And also the fins, ilang ikog mo na gamiton nila para mo swim. They use like that. And also the wings and the beaks, ng ilang pako and ilang sumo. Yes, so there you have it. So that is the unique parts of the animals. So I hope you have learned. I hope you read your books, because if you read your books, you will learn something. That is the most important thing to you. You have to learn your books, and you have to learn by reading your books. Their body parts and uses. You know that one. The animals have different kind of body parts that they can use, and according what they want or what they live. So just like us people, we go to different places by the use of our feet, by the use of our maybe most especially is our feet, no? So pwede pod sakit ang mga parachute by the use of our hands nga may mag-control, or no, those just like animals, we have also body parts. They have also body parts to be used and to be utilized for them to get food, or to use to get some that kind of place makaadto sila, no? So just like first is the best body part they have used always just like us is the legs, no? Kung sa may mga animals nga na legs, be, lagay ko. Give me one. Oh yes, there you have it, no? So most especially they have legs is kanang na yung mga giraffe, horse, carabao, bear, lion, everything. Those animals have legs, especially basta mulakaw, they have legs. Those are animals was legs. So kanang legs very important kayo na nila, no? Kano man, they use that one. Imagine wala ikaw ganahan ka nga wala kayo legs. Uy, dili ka ganahan magtanaw ra ka. Dili ma-enjoy mong life without your legs. You cannot go to school if you don't have a legs. You cannot go to Tagbilaran City if you don't have a legs. That's why you have to protect your legs. Yes. So next part is wings. Wings. What animals that you have seen that have a wings? Saman. Yes, there you have it. Just like butterfly, birds, bats, no? And also grasshopper. Grasshopper na. I would say kanang ostrich. I have also here in your book, you can see insects. May mga fly insects. As I've said, insects, no? They use that one. Also penguins. They use that one to fly. Do you wanna fly? Flying is one of my dream. I want to go fly as far as I can, as long as I can, as high as I can. Yes. So animals who have wings, that they are very useful, no? Ayun naman, they use that one to fly, to move to other places, to go to what they want to go for their food, no? That is the body parts that they have to use, no? Munang importante nila ng wings. Mawa ang ilang wings, maputo ilang wings, di na sila kalupa. Yes. Next part is with fins. O kana ilang gamiton, kanang sili, or maybe dari sa kunot sa tail kanang moingan nila para mo kalangway ang fish. So best example of that one is the fishes. Mo dun yung number one nga mugot of fins. Also sharks. What is this? Kanang dolphins and shrimps, daghan, and also kanang nagbisay itaw pagi kana, and also kanang mga seahorse. They use fins to swim underwater. So kung wala na pud na sila fins, di na sila kalangoy. So magana na sila. No, yeah. So they use fins to swim, to get food. Makasuri po sila to go what they want and underwater. So muna the best nga part sa fishes. So yes, there you have it. So I think you have to understand our lesson for today, and as I have said, you have read your book and you have to learn something. Okay, so thank you so much. This is Teacher Nelson, and God bless us all. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you learned something and you can do your work well. So this is Teacher Nelson, and God bless us all.